All right, so I have this super nice Flux vise that I love to use for obtuse, and it has these soft jaws here that have like a dovetail on them. And I thought about making them myself because I'm cheap. No, that's not really why. Basically, I want to make some sacrificial or some soft jaws. They're always sacrificial. That I can pop on top of these soft jaws so that I can do like quick prototyping and things like that without cutting into my nice dovetailed soft jaws. Okay, I realize I did not explain that very well, so I'll show you here. So here's a set of soft jaws. This is for like dual set. So you've got a middle and two end plates. And if you look at them, they've got this super nice machining, this dovetail feature, which draws it, down as you clamp inward on the part. And then it's got some side milling and then some holes there too. So not the easiest thing to like reproduce, and I'm happy to pay for these. But when I'm doing like quick prototyping for like knives and things like that, I don't want to like, go through these and scrap them right away. So I'll show you what I came up with. Okay, so what I came up with is pretty simple. Basically what we're working at is, I just machined this one right here. You can see two counter bored holes, and then these two bored holes for 5mm pins. And those are just kind of pressed in there randomly. And those pins register up against these two holes. And then eventually I'll have these holes here on the outside. Those will be, I think they'll be drilled, or they'll be tapped for M6. So then you place this over top, clicks in place, and you've got a soft jaw and a soft jaw. So yeah, it's kind of neat idea to kind of save the really nice soft jaws for the production stuff. Why can't I get that on there? There we go. Something like that. And then you'd have another one over here. So yeah, that's basically it. And that's kind of how it's set up. If you guys are interested about these Flux vises, my friend Ken from Robertson Custom Creations, there's also Flux Work Holding on Instagram here. He's a really great guy. I have no affiliation. He doesn't, pay me to say any of this stuff, but I think he just does a really good job, and I'm happy with this vise and the versatility of it, and it's been super useful on my knives and stuff like that. So it lets me create products for you guys faster and more precise. So check them out if you've got a CNC mill and you need some obtuse stuff.